experience was a very pleasant one and seamlessly run from the technology and ease of connectivity point of view.
Can support you financially or non-financially in facilitating travel, event organization, implementation of the safe management measures.
Good morning, good afternoon and good evening from Singapore.
We picked Singapore for our conference location for 2020 because it really is a beacon for sustainable urbanism. And after seeing the way, after COVID, it becomes even more important, I think. And so we want to still have our large conference in Singapore in 2021.
B2B virtual event is so far, I guess, the best platform for networking for both the buyers and exhibitors to build and strengthen business partnership when an actual meetup is not possible.
I find the overall program flow to be very well planned. The content cover a wide spectrum of topics that really give us a lot of insights, information.
I am proud that Singapore has made good progress in tackling the COVID pandemic. Cases that arise from local transmissions within the population here are zero or near zero. And we have done so without closing our borders completely or imposing draconian lockdowns. These gains are hard-won and reflect a monumental effort across the private, public, and people sectors here in Singapore. Now, while virtual and digital tools will replace some of our more mundane interactions, nothing beats the energy and excitement that comes from fruitful face-to-face meetings. We therefore look forward to working closely with our partners, including yourselves, to reimagine the future of business events in Singapore in safe, trusted, and innovative ways.